At OCtech, we have a history of preparing students for good jobs and great careers, and also providing opportunities for them to transfer to many of the four-year colleges and universities in South Carolina. But our primary focus, whether that be short-term training or long-term transfer to four-year colleges, is preparing students for the world of work. If you look at the largest sectors of employment in this region, it's advanced manufacturing and healthcare. And subsequently, if you look at the wage ranges for these sectors, the first is that the average wage for this region of South Carolina is about $15 an hour, which is about $32,000 a year. When we look at the earnings of our graduates, they far exceed those averages by almost $15,000 to $20,000, depending on the area in which you become employed. 90% of our graduates are placed in the field upon graduation, so it really is a good opportunity for students to begin a good job and also to begin a great career at OCtech.